Hello students, today I am here to guide you on the factors that you should consider before taking your TOEFL examination. So the very first factor I would like to tell you is application deadline. You have to be very careful before booking your TOEFL examination, and you need to check the deadline of the university or the institutions you are applying to. You should be applying at least 2 to 3 months prior to your application so that your results are reported on time. Now, the second factor that you should consider is your preparation time. Make sure you have enough time to prepare for your TOEFL examination, as there are lots of students who take 2 to 3 months for preparation of their TOEFL examination. Now, this depends on the proficiency level you are holding at the current time, and decide on how much time you would be taking in order to prepare for your examination. If I talk about the third factor affecting is the score reporting, as you might be aware of the fact that your scores are available after 6 days of your TOEFL test. Now you have to plan and appear accordingly so that your test results are reported on time, so that you can submit it to your institution on time. Now, if I talk about the fourth factor, which is the retake possibility. If you think that you need to retake the TOEFL examination, then you should be allowing yourself with enough time with your first attempt that you can take up your second attempt accordingly. As, let me tell you one thing, there is a mandate 3 days wait before you take up the retest. Now, if I talk about the fifth factor, which is the test center availability. Now, be very careful while booking your test center, as it may vary to the location you are available, as there are numerous test center of TOEFL examination available depending upon the different locations. Now, I am sure that you are going to consider all the factors before taking up your TOEFL test. So, all the very best for your TOEFL examination.